Successful teaching has many elements, and these are found more often in primary schools than secondary schools. In our best schools, a culture of collaboration and trust provides an environment where teachers and support staff can evaluate their own practice honestly and learn together with their colleagues. Schools should consider the 12 pedagogical principles of good teaching and learning in successful futures as they decide how to realise the new curriculum for Wales. They need to create authentic context for learning, use a blend of approaches, and encourage learners to take responsibility for their own learning. Teachers' professional learning is most effective where it is tailored to the needs of individuals and groups of teachers. Professional learning opportunities should be available throughout a teacher's career to support a continuous cycle of improvement. The professional learning journey starts with initial teacher education. We have new ITE partnerships based on national criteria for initial teacher education. These new arrangements have the potential to make a sustainable impact on teaching, leadership, and standards. There's still room for improvement. Student teachers need to develop critical reflection, draw links between their lesson evaluation and planning, and analyse how their teaching strategies help pupils progress. Mentors also play a key role in giving students opportunities to build their skills and help develop a high-quality education profession. Professional learning means becoming more reflective and looking at new approaches to pedagogy. In the best cases, teachers use the latest research, looking for evidence where the proposed innovations are likely to improve their practice and benefit learners. For more information, find our full annual reports at estin.gov.wales.